Kung talagang binigay na, bakit pera pa rin ng master? Kasi nga, ipinagkatiwala lang sa atin yung pamamahala, hindi yung pag-aari. Kasi kung talagang ibinigay na sa atin yan, edi dapat wala ng accounting after. Pero nagpapaasalamat tayo, pinapaalalaanan ulit tayo ng Panginoon, anumang edukasyon ang na-achieve mo, anumang yamang meron ka, anumang daming anak na meron ka, anumang bahay na meron ka, lahat ng bagay na meron tayo, regalo ng ating Panginoon. Sabi ng Scripture, every good gift comes from above. So, ibig sabihin, every good thing comes from God and belongs to God. Hindi pwedeng puro pababa. Pabalik din sa Kanya yan. Lahat ng bagay na meron ka, kahit kukunti na lang. All of these things are a gift from God. Hindi mo yan nakuha on your own. Hindi mo yan in-earn on your own. You did not make it on your own. You did not achieve that on your own. If it had not been for the grace of God, hindi mo yan makukuha. That's why ang papuri lagi sa Panginoon, kasi every good things that you have is a gift from God. You came in this world with nothing and you will leave this earth with nothing. Because everything is a gift. Nung pinagkatiwala yung 5, 2, and 1, hindi pare-pareho